Hello, good morning. Welcome back to the Satoshi Society YouTube channel. My name is AJ, one of the hosts here, and today we're going to go over a trade that I'm in that I brought to you in the last live stream, and we're going to talk about what I'm expecting for Bitcoin as well. So, if that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you smash a like on this video. It does really help me out, helps the channel out, and I can continue to bring these trades to you and continue to bring this technical analysis that I have for you as well. So make sure you smash a like on this video. But jumping straight on into the video then, let's take a look at the price of Bitcoin. So bringing up my screen here, you can see that we are having a nice little push towards the upside this morning, and I have been expecting this. I did let you know in the previous live stream because I am in a long position. I did enter into a long position, and as we can see here, it is in some nice profit, so 13% in a profit, just under $200 in a profit. We entered this at $20,085. So far, it's playing out to be a really, really nice trade. And I'm not expecting to hold this trade open for much longer. I'm expecting these price targets to be hit fairly soon. Because the price targets that I do have is the value area high as that first sort of take profit. We could be looking at taking profit at the point of control where we are right now. I may take some slight profits there. As you can see, it's acted as previous resistance there as well, previous support when we were above it as well. So this tends to be a bit of a resistance and support area. If the trade was a bit bigger, I probably would have taken some profit here, but I would like to try and see if I can squeeze a little bit more out of the trade. So the take profits that I am looking at, this of course is going to be a take profit zone. I think I'm going to miss this trade take profit zone. Maybe I'll take a little bit of profit here though, but the main take profit points that I'm looking at is $20,800 at this value area high, which you can see right there. Another take profit point I have is sort of in this golden pocket right here, this big golden pocket. So around $21,000 is that sort of second take profit point, third take profit point, depending on where you want to take profit. And yeah, as I said, I've been expecting this. I told you that I was entering this long position back here. I told you I entered it quite late. We did see the price actually push towards the upside, and then we had a pullback for a nice second entry. So if you did enter at that second level, then well done for that. But we were looking at lots of confluence. I did say there was a lot of confluence signaling to me that there was going to be a nice bounce towards the upside, and as we can see, we are getting that nice little bounce towards the upside. I think I am going to take a bit of profit right now because we are seeming to use this as resistance right here. So if I come over to trading view, I'm just going to take some profits off the table here. Let's take 25. Let's 25% of profit there. I'm expecting the price to come a little bit higher, so that's why I'm only taking a little bit of profit, but I'm going to bank some of those profits in there because it's always great to just take profits on these trades. It's only a small trade, but yeah, initially we are still making some nice returns off this trade. Now, as I said, we're coming into resistance, but the reason I opened this trade is because we were coming into a big cluster of resistance. So first of all, we did have this support level coming in on the 4-hour and the 1 hour. So you can see here, we've been respecting this support level really, really nicely, bouncing off this level. So that was one reason why I entered this level. Another reason was because we were below the value area low. So the value area low is right here at around $20,260, and we were below that. When we tend to go below the value area low, we tend to see the price come up to that value area high, like there and back here as well, value area low to value area high. So that's what I was looking at as well. But to add on to that, we also had a hidden bullish divergence as well. So if we zoom in a little bit, we can see that bringing up the RSI as well, we can see that the RSI was forming higher highs, as you can see right there. And on the price action chart, we were forming lower lows. So for me, this was enough. Signals to enter into this long position. And as you can see, it's played off really, really nicely so far. Coming into resistance, but I'm expecting this to be broken and come up to value area high. If we break value area high, then this golden pocket is where I'm looking at the price coming. Now, for where the price is going to go after that, I think we are going to see a rejection from this level. And you will know that because if you've been watching, I did actually put in some short limit orders. So from $20,980 approximately to $21,400, I do have stagnated short limit orders. So if the price does come up to this area, which I'm anticipating it will, I am going to be shorting this area. And I did, in fact, actually post this over on Twitter as well. So if we just bring up Twitter quickly, I did actually post what I thought was going to happen. So if we come to our Twitter here, make sure you follow us on Twitter. If you don't, we do put some updates on there as well. But this is what I posted: Bitcoin pumped to $21,000 to $21,500, then dumped to 20,000. That's the plan. That is my plan for the next few days. I do think we could see that happen, and the reason being is because we're in this range. We're in this range on the 1 hour. And I think we're going to come to the top of the range, come into this cluster of resistance here, get a rejection from that cluster of resistance, and then come back down to 20,000 at sort of the value area low and this major support here. So that's what I'm anticipating. So I'm longing the value area low to the value area high, and then I'm shorting the value area high to the value area low. That is my plan. I'm just trading these ranges. I'm struggling with a cold at the moment, so I'm sorry. But yeah, just trading these ranges. I've spoke about this in previous streams. The best thing to do when the market is going sideways is to trade these ranges. And as you can see, they can be fairly profitable. As we can see here, making some nice profits. So $135 in a profit. And I've already taken $40 profit there as well. So just under $200 in profit so far. Obviously, this is unrealized, but I'm expecting that price to maybe push a little bit higher. Looking on the smaller time frames, the oscillator indicators are sort of in that over extended territory, so maybe a little pullback before another push towards the upside in the shorter term is what we could expect. But initially, I'm still looking at that price coming up above this value area high. Value area high would be that first target. If we get a rejection there, then we could come back down to value area low. But if we break above that value area high, then this cluster of resistance here, which of course you know I will be shorting, down to the value area low. And we've got major support down here at the value area low. So I would consider actually taking probably 50 to 75% profit off of that short if we did see the price come down. And then if we break this, I'll have a little bit left in the trade to see if we will come back down into this. There we go. We're back. We've had a storm in England, so yeah, so yeah, that's what's happened there. But basically here, I still don't think we've left this much bigger range on the 4 hour chart. So we're in this smaller range on the 1 hour, but we're still sort of within this range on the 4 hour as well. I don't believe we've left this range yet. Yes, we are above it. We're above that value area high. If we can break above this cluster of resistance up here, then yes, I would be happy to say we've finally left the range, but I just don't think we have left the range yet. I think we're just consolidating above that value area high. Well, that's what we're doing. We're consolidating above that value area high, using that value area high as support. But I think there is still a possibility that we could break back below that value area high, get accepted back into this 4 hour range, and potentially come back to $18,800. But that's only if we get accepted back below this value area high right here. So I know the chart's looking very messy, but you know, everything that I have on the charts is necessary for our technical analysis. And yeah, so that's what I'm looking at. I'm still long on Bitcoin. I still think the price is going to come up to potentially $21,000 to $21,500, and then we see a rejection from there. That's what I am expecting. So yeah, that's again what I'm expecting. DXY still looking very bullish, but a potential pullback whilst the Bitcoin pushes again towards the upside, and then we could see the DXY continue to push towards the upside. As Bitcoin continues to drop and potentially coming back into that 4 hour range. Reason I think the DXY is going to continue to push towards the upside is because we finally got above this mid range. We were using that mid range as very, very strong. resistance. We've also used it as support there as well, resistance there as well. So we know that this mid-range is a very strong support and resistance area. So we could see the price actually pull back, maybe use it as support before bouncing up to the resistance at the top of the descending parallel channel. Or we could just see a little pullback and then testing that resistance again. But initially, I still think the DXY could break towards the upside here, and we could see much higher prices on the DXY, which is not going to be good for Bitcoin. That's why I'm still pretty bearish on Bitcoin. But yeah, as I said, short term, very short term, I'm long on Bitcoin, expecting that price to come up to here, and then I'm going to short that. And yeah, if you watched yesterday's live stream, you saw me putting in all those short limit orders. It was yesterday or the day before. I can't really remember now. But yeah, I've been waiting for this, and it is playing out. So we're making some nice profits, almost 13% in a profit. So yeah, making really nice profits. Make sure you smash a like on this video if you enjoy me bringing you these trades and this technical analysis. And yeah, I can continue to bring these trades to you as well. I mentioned why I entered this trade here the next morning. We were in slight profit, but I mentioned why I entered this trade, the reasons why I entered the trade, and we actually got a second test of this level here. So this would have been a really, really good another really good opportunity to enter into that trade. And then you can see we've had that price push towards the upside. So yeah, you have to listen to what I'm saying and take in all the information that I'm telling you and bringing to you. And yeah, you can see the information that I am bringing to you is very valuable because we are making some really, really nice profits. And, we're continuing to make these nice profits. We've been shorting, we've been longing now, and we've been making really nice profits. I only made one losing trade in the past 7 trades, I think, 6 or 7 trades that I've made now. So yeah, really, really doing well here. So make sure you smash a like on this video if you do enjoy this content. And if you want to see more content, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn that bell notification on. And of course, I will see you in the next live stream. I may be live later on today to update you with what's going on. If we do come up to my target levels, my shorting levels, I probably will go live and just update you with what I'm expecting. Because of course there is an invalidation, and I will let you, well, the invalidation would be a break above this resistance. That's what I'll be, a candle break above that resistance would be an invalidation. But if there's any early signs of an invalidation, I will, of course, go live and let you know. So thank you very much for watching. I might see you later. If I don't see you later, then I will see you tomorrow. But thank you very much for watching. Smash that like button. If you are new, subscribe, and I will see you later. Thank you.